Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about the polymorphism. So in the previous video I was tell the constructors concept. So in this video I will tell you the polymorphism in depth so that you can able to give the any interview questions. So let's start the video. So polymorphism in Java. So let's start the today's topic. Firstly, the polymorphism in Java have the two types like overriding and overloading. So in overriding, there there is occurred in the inherited class, or when the uh, parents uh, when the parents functionality does not require to the child, then child will override the methods in the methods of a parent. So in this scenario we required the overriding. In overloading, what happens, which methods have the different parameters in the class but have the same name. This leads to the overloading. Overloading have the different parameters. There can be ambiguity in the in the overloading. I will tell you further about the ambiguity, when will ambiguity will come. So first start the first topic of a polymorphism. Polymorphism have the two types. Polymorphism stands for poly and morphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms or types. So polymorphism have two types. First one is overloading and overriding. So in overloading, what happens, there are the same name method but have the different parameters. When we require to implement a same method but giving the different inputs by giving the different number of parameters, then the overloading occurs. Example, let's see the one code. Like I will show you code in Ubuntu terminal. So I will not use the VS Code ID because due to the terminal of the Ubuntu, our coding skill increases, because this Ubuntu terminal not suggest us any function or um, any default function which we learn from try and error method. I will put the password here. So let's start. So let's make one file. So in this we will make one class like a user. Here we will implement a 2 to 3 methods which have the same name but different parameters. So we will discuss the one method like polymorphism IPL. IPL int match string match type string system dot out dot print ln match type. What match type is? T20 20. Or we can also make the one method of IPL same name, like we can give the match type as well as we can give the number of the players, player number. So we can print here system dot out dot print ln match type and match type T20 and will. One is impact player 11. So this is the overloading. So we will make a one publish static hide main string arrays. We will make the one object here, just user. Here I made the one object. We can also do the overloading by giving the different parameters to the constructor. So we will call the method of the IPL like giving the match type T20 here, T20 here, and also we will give the one parameter like T20 and match type 11, so that this will give us output. So let's discuss the output here. Java C 1.java user 11. So in overloading, in overloading there is check method, there is a method table. In method table there is not required method return type of a method. So in overloading there is not a required method table return type we can in method table every function method signature check. Let's discuss overriding. In overriding there is override the method in parent which will override by its child. So we can say that overriding only occurs in inheritance only overriding is required when parent knows that its child will not use its method and will implement its own functionality. So overriding uh, requires overriding return type is check if in a parent methods if there is the public default, then there is the not uh, reduce the reduce the methods return type. If method return type is reduced, then we get the error like weaker access privileges, so we should not reduce the return type of the we should not reduce the access specifier of the override method. So in overriding return type is a check, we should not reduce access specifier of a method, otherwise we get error like access specifier like weaker access privilege error in overloading when we want to implement a same method with different functionality by giving different inputs, then we use overloading. Thank you guys. You can tell all the 11 points when you when the interviewer asks you the questions on polymorphism. So these 11 topics will help you to crack any interview. So like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, because subscribers are important for me to get motivated all time. So thank you guys.